IC's activities we are not. We can only see on the internet or sometimes WhatsApp groups messages comes. Somebody is opening the shower and then entire that waste what he has dumped a few days back it is falling from the shower and all. Only those kind of messages we can see on the internet. And all. But in our things we don't have. We just make it our city clean and clean. It's we have to keep on seeing the same message whether it is effective. Whether it is changing the behavior, there are no studies, no efforts on that. So we have to get into very specific messages, information, that is IEC activities, which will lead to behavioral change. That is obviously a serious grey areas which I feel personally from my experience. And let me tell you again, it is all my personal views. I am not representing any official views on this. Another important part is, out of I told you, the mandate has to be there, then there has to be information, and the third part is incentives. Incentives can be both negative and positive. Obviously to the industry, like tax rebates, reliefs, subsidies and so on. To the consumers, you have the deposits, refunds, coupons, and so on. So, these are there are tax revenue providing incentives, non-revenue instruments, and various economic instruments. This is completely missing in the policy now, today's rules. It said others will do, the local bodies will do. Bylaws will be put by the local bodies. What is the capacity? What is the knowledge base at the local body level? Many of the local bodies are just being very skeleton staff, where they have got that kind of knowledge base. So that is a very a serious gap. So I just feel that we have to be my focus. I just only tell the industries here, you should focus on the user's perspective, whether it is a sanitary worker. Why people are not segregating and doing it? There is no clarity. We don't know. Suppose suddenly I get on the weekends and all, green waste and all, I don't know what to do about it. Where to send it? What I should do about C&D waste? Our waste characteristics have changed. You see the waste, so much waste, we are consumption of drugs, pharmas, elements are increased, so much waste. And what kind of approach we are having? Still somebody should go and collect the waste from the house. Look at this slide. Look how hygienic, how healthy for the waste collectors. We are not bringing that technology. We are not giving the services. So there is a huge, the institutional framework and the IT solutions is possible, provided if you have very clear focus on addressing the pain points, addressing the convenience, giving clarity to the users, and it should be purely, user-centric. We cannot have the approach where one human being keep serving the others in most inhuman and dignified way. We cannot keep on glorifying somebody is collecting the waste, give his pictures, give him one or two awards, and just glorifying. We need to have very dignified profession, dignified approach to the whole solid waste. And I would urge this team, all the participants here, particularly technology solution providers, you should focus on user-specific solutions, user-centric solutions to the waste problem. It is not demonstrating of the technology. Technology is a science, it's applications of science. It can be easily, you can demonstrate. It's not a big deal. But how far it is useful, how much pain or how much convenient issues you are addressing to the users. I think that will be the key challenge. With these few words, once again I thank
And after that, year after year, decade after decade, wastewater technology was growing. Until today, we've got some of the latest technologies that are available, like mineral bioreactors and SPRs and so on and so forth. But that hasn't come cheap. That has taken many centuries, many decades. Just to give an example, because wastewater is mostly it's a government project, and the government, it's kind of slow. They don't know that it takes time for government institutions to accept it. The new technology comes on board. You have to prove, you have to do piloting, and followed by bench scale piloting, and then installation after installation after installation. Even though memory bioreactors, which I think one of our colleagues here will be speaking about soon, that also took a long time to come out into a commercial and then accepted. But that's not what I want to talk about today. I think technology, people will be talking about technology. But just want to switch gears and discuss a little bit about the project life cycle and how it impacts the quality of the service, the quality of the product provided to the end user. Any wastewater project starts with conceptual design and planning. So that's the first stage, and then followed by engineering and design, followed by construction and commissioning, and it ends up in O&M. So if you look at the chain, that chain there could be a lot of pitfalls. I want to start with the first one, which is the planning part of it. The projects, when they are planned, the conceptual stage, which is the most critical part. I would probably say each of these steps are critical, but the first step is always the most critical because it can derail everything that comes down afterwards. So when the project starts the conceptual stage, the client hires a consultant, the consultant looks into it, develops a concept, develops chooses the technology, chooses the location of the project, chooses the capacity, and so on and so forth. If that doesn't get right, the EPC contractors like us and others will suffer. So clarity is very important to get go. It's not acceptable for a client to say, you go ahead and choose whatever you want to do. And, so it's difficult to do during the tendering stage what's called a feasibility study. You can't do that. You need to do that at the early stage of the project. The concept has to be clear. The client has to get a good consultant who will be able to put a good quality bid together. So that's the conceptual stage, very important. So in the conceptual stage, the client chooses, or through the consultant, chooses what technology needs to be used, the footprint of the plant, and also specify the details of each step of the way. Because that will put everybody at the back, and there will be no loopholes. So that's very important. The conceptual stage is very important. The second stage is the engineering. Definitely engineering plays a key role in getting a good quality wastewater treatment plant that produces good quality effluent. Optimization of the flow sheet, optimization of the technology that we proposed in the conceptual stage, doing simulation, volume simulation, modular design, making sure that the design takes into account the O&M, because you design a plant that's difficult to operate and it's not economic. It is very difficult for the operation team to survive. So it's very important to make sure that during the engineering detail design that you get the O&M people on board, and they have to make sure that you have to make sure that their experience has to be taken into account. A lot of designers probably maybe they don't have the operational maintenance experience, or maybe they don't have a site experience. So it's a good time to put everybody together and make sure that the project we look at the reliability of wastewater. but it's not common in municipal wastewater. So we were looking for oil skimming. Then I remember years ago, one of the trade shows called Webtech in the US, there was a vendor. Then I remember, then I searched and I found, and when I found that vendor, actually that's the vendor that was specified. No one else can do what he was, what the specification was saying. It was only that vendor that could do it. And that came to this from visiting those trade shows, getting yourself exposed to those vendors and technologies and so on and so forth. So the last part I want to talk about is the operation of the getting a good design, good concept, good design, good construction and selection of right equipment. All of that end up in the operational maintenance. On operational maintenance, I think, is the least aspect of the project that people don't take good care of. And I think if everything else goes right, and you fail the on-air, then you don't have to treat them wrong. It doesn't matter. It's just you have wasted taxpayers' money. You have not done your job. It doesn't matter what, it doesn't matter if you have chosen the best, technology, the best equipment, and so on and so forth. So the on-air, so far in India, we don't have a certification. We don't have a certification board that certifies operational maintenance people. It's very important to have certification. I did a project in New Mexico, in the US. And when we finished the project, it was a remote area for natives. The project was called Escalada. And we have waited more than a year to get a certified operator to come on board. Because it's a native, they want to have one of them to be operating the plant. Other people, they didn't want to live in that area, it was a remote area. So we have waited one person to be trained, not only be trained. And I used to train operators and understand the value of plant operators. I think it's time for us here in India to start a plant operators certification. It's very important. There are also different levels of certification, class A, class B, class C. In some countries they call it the classification may be different, but in general, it's very important to have plant operators that are certified. And if everything else goes right, as I say, the plant operation is the most important thing. Training the operators. I've not seen anyone who talk about training the operators. Training the operators. We always talk about training the engineers, the training the designers, the training so on and so forth. And to a certain extent, I would probably say the equipment
Course of mind, because the airport index has become now most important for making the city livable. So all smart cities now looking for the different low-cost air quality sensors. And what is happening with the relevant to this urban air quality is more important. Probably you'll be knowing it, there will be is coming with vehicles, and we have industrialization and urbanization. With reference to that, I can say the primary pollutants are being well addressed by the industries of their own concern, self-regulating mechanism as available through ISO 14,000, ISO 18,000, and also all the air pollution control measures with reference to thermal power plants, cement plants have come a long way through more than 30 years of inception of this air pollution prevention and promotion act. Now, a lot of challenges because altogether we think the gaseous pollutants and the particulate pollutants have become now a prime importance in terms of PM2.5. Because all the gaseous pollutants, as of right of their existence in the ambient, all the sulfur dioxide emitted from the industries and the vehicles have been now converted as sulfate dioxide. Similarly, the magnesium oxides as nitrate aerosols and all other gaseous pollutants have the combinations with the VOC and the climatology, the presence of sunlight. Of course, though we have the quick oxidation of the volatile organic compounds comes out from the vehicle exhaust and all, but NOx plays a major role. We do not understand the complexity of this air quality, abdominal air quality, which make a very serious impact on our life function. I can say, for example, say now we are here, more than 20 or 25 people are here. When you continue to stay in this room, if you are lower humidity, probably our China humidity is around 70 to 80, 70, 60 to 70%. Whereas inside this room is around 40 or 45. This low humidity, and since we exhaust, say if you take the 400 ppm of the ambient CO2 inside your lung, you take 8 liters per minute. Imagine when our exhaust from the nose is, from the lung is 40,000 ppm of CO2. So around this hall, after 8 hours of, 5 hours of exposures a year, you will be having around 1,500 ppm of CO2, which may make miserable for our living standard. We go in the AC car for our office, we stay in the AC room, we stay in. There are a lot of studies, there are a lot of improvements have been shown in the equipment. If we go through the air quality index of Chennai today, probably we have 3 stations here, maintained by CPCB. There are 13 stations maintained by State Pollution Control Board. That are not be manual, but converting into air quality index and this public in the public domain, you can see 3. One is near what do you call St. Thomas Mount, where the near airport, Nangaluru signal, they have a station at the corporation bus depot. They say the air quality index is more than 150, where the standard is around only 100. Where in Tirupati it is only 60. Bangalore is only 60 to 70. Where in New Zealand, in church, what do you call that? Their headquarters, it is around some 10 micrograms per meter. Even in Adelaide, it is 12. If you take Istanbul, it was earlier, it was around 270 or black carbon is playing a major role in trapping the heat above our thing. And it is not allowing the systemic adjustment, there is stability of the atmosphere. It is able to melt even the ice. The heat trapped with black carbon is so dangerous. How to address? Then make this measurement, bring it to the public domain, where we stand about the black carbon and the ozone. How we can make the city livability, join the hands with the government, smart city principle, resilient Chennai is coming now on water, sewage management with respect to connecting all the guys to make it reuse, treated waste for both dump sites. Each dump site has got 5 crores tons of waste, water waste. It is generating a lot of putrefied food waste as a leachates, landfill gas. We will be converted into compost. We will be converted into biofuels, decentralized facilities.
This is where our manufacturing setup is, and these are our global offices across the globe. We are a purely energy and environment company. Okay, anything in the line of energy and environment, we are present. People actually know us as a boiler company. When they call Thermax, people know us as a boiler company. But thanks to the fact we these kind of programs as an exposure to give that we are more into energy side and the environment side also. Anything in water, wastewater treatment, air pollution, we are fully present. Today, we would like to talk about that in this platform and share our experiences. Actually, these are our major industries. Like in an industry, right from the entry, maybe a raw water. There is just a raw water which is to be treated to the utility, to the wastewater. Wastewater may be an effluent or maybe a sewage. In any industry, we have a solution. Right? That's where we are present. So getting straight into the water treatment portion, we have the smallest of right from a filter softener, a basic filter softener to an RO plant, to a DM plant, or to any kind of technologies which is available in the latest. Our RO plants start from, even for a drinking application, right from a 500 liter plant to any size. We can give for any solution. We even have pharma grade ROs, anything. Today, like our earlier speakers have spoke, like Doctor had said in his presentation, what we are going to conserve today is we are going to, it is for the next generation. Okay, like if at the first slide, if you are seeing the color of the leaf and the water, today it is fading. There is no more green leaves that we see, no more water is blue. And like Mr. Kamble had spoke in his presentation, the roads leading to the industries are very bad. Nobody is bothered how bad the road is. Once you enter the plant of any industry, the industry looks world class. Inside their facility, the roads are good, their office administrative buildings are beautifully built, everything is today. Because today people are industry, for any industry, the space is a constraint. The technology, cost of technology, because end of the day industry cannot work on a CSR mode for everything. They also need to make money. Okay, so the cost of operation also matters for any industry. That's where our new technologies have come up. This Biocast or Biocast Mini is a small sewage treatment plant that we supply. Probably considering the time thing, during our networking lunch, we can discuss in detail about this product one-on-one. My team is also here. This is a skid-mounted sewage treatment plant. It comes from a capacity of 10 KLD onwards to 30 KLD on a skid, and in a modular of 300 KLD. Up to 300 KLD, we have this where it meets the norms on BOD and COD of whatever the Central Pollution Control Board norms are there. This comes in a skid and with everything packed in it. Everything packed in it. It's a plug and play kind of thing. Same thing is the containerized RO plant where no civil, nothing, shed, work and all. It is all prefabricated. You have to just take it, put it in your plant, plug and play this kind of RO plants. That's where it's a new technology is. We are into operation and maintenance, like he had mentioned, Sarat mentioned what the importance of operation. Today when you go to a plant, when we quote on an operation and maintenance, the first question the industry asks, why do you need so many people to operate a plant? There are different expertise that is required to operate a plant at a different level. Like the operator needs to be trained. There should be a proper facility manager to take care of the entire facility. Very well, sir. He has to be certified. He has to be properly certified by some body that they can operate this plant. Because a lot of plants today are just operated for the sake of it, just to show the PCB that they have a plant within the organization. Thermite is not a company who will supply a plant just for the, if somebody is asking that we need to just showcase something to PCB, we are not a company. We design a plant, we design and work on a plant where it will meet the regulations and the norms. So our further extension of water treatment is we do operation and maintenance of plants. We take AMCs. We can repair and retrofit your existing plants. We can augment it. We can give you any kind of space. The smallest of a dosing pump to a membrane to a cartridge, whatever is your accessories that is required. We are into those solutions also. We can do plant audits. Apart from the vehicles that we use, these are some of our products like scrubbers, ESPs, back filters. We also have on a solid waste, we have not put the picture here. On the solid waste management, we have incinerators also as a product. Maybe for a general waste also we have for a medical waste incinerator, because medical today it is not allowed by certain government norms. Individual things are not allowed, but there are people who collect everything together and process it at a common place. We have solutions for those things also. This is some of our installations we have as far as air pollution control is there. I just wanted to use this forum to tell anything in energy and environment, air and water pollution, right from your basic to whatever is today's norm that is required as per the government in Indian standards or international standards at certain levels. We are a company. I hope my other partners today who are technology partners who are here also will share their thing, how they are present in this industry. I think together let's have to our children, let's gift a better society. And in fact, thanks for organizing such a platform where we all top leaders of this industry interact on a social cause. Thanks in fact, and thanks all of you for this opportunity, and we would like to interact during the lunch session. Thank you so much.
Fields on the ground, various sites actually. Right. Today's focus, I think many people talks about the circular economy. It's about, there is nothing called waste today. We have enough resources. Every waste is a resource. We all, with the technological support as well as the change in mindset, we can make it really circular, and then waste can be eliminated completely by using for water or wastewater or any solid waste management kind of. Sewage is majorly to we operate in three business environments basically, mainly for the treatment infrastructure where large municipal drinking water, wastewater management, solid waste management, then industrial water and wastewater management, solutions. So we are trying to support environmental transition across the globe, and then deploy smart solutions, basically digital solutions, and develop integrated offerings for industry. So just a brief about sewage water technology and solutions. The earlier sewage industrial water activities, plus through the acquisition of GE water technology and processes, we have formed a strong, the technology and solutions needed for the industries. While the treatment infrastructure takes care of the people, and our the resource and reuse business basically the solid waste management. I basically represent the industrial business group, in terms of sewage water technology and solutions. So we have the vast geographical footprint across the globe, across India, and across the continents. One of the largest portfolios which we will go through the next life cycle cost much cheaper when we really, go into the higher requirements. I'm not going to the individual technologies, but I'll just run through the plans. Then the biological treatment, especially when it comes to wastewater treatment, it's the biofiltration. Membrane bioreactor is a very key technology. I think we have quite successfully installed more than 150 plus installations, starting from a small household housing complexes to up to the tough to treat, the effluents like the components where you treat phenol, cyanides, and so on. So we have really introduced this technology successfully with 150 plus operating installations. Another the new technology which of course we are not here in India, the membrane-related bioreactor. As part of resource resolution, we are seriously working in terms of promoting the energy neutral technologies actually. Especially this MABR replaces the conventional, the actual biological or biological process which we do the membrane diffusers. This comes with the membrane irritors. The energy efficiency and the space requirement for building a treatment plant comes down very drastically with the MABR technology is concerned. We transfer the oxygen 3 times or 4 times more efficient than the currently available the membrane diffusers is concerned. So the cost of operations comes down, cost of construction comes down, and also some of the advanced processes like nitrification, denitrifications are also can be added as the things to achieve the stringent water quality is concerned. Then some of the oxidation technologies. Biosolids management is again a very key technology which we are trying to provide dewatering. We have as well dryers for the solid waste management, thermal oxidation. Our core strength with GE acquisition is all the membrane technologies like the MPR, the RO manufacturing, PDA, all is done in-house within Sewage. As I explained in the earlier slide, we do the consulting. We did the design with project management, operation and maintenance kind of a thing. Industry is constantly studying the CETPs are maybe setting up the common treatment facilities kind of thing. Digital monitoring and environmental, the performance monitoring also we do in terms of air, water, biodiversity, clean transportation and all those things is concerned. And we engage with all kinds of stakeholders, in working with the government, working with the customers, helping them to use the technologies as well as they upgrade the norms kind of Then turn waste into the new resources, I think, which is one of the key focus areas for us, which we do it quite successfully in the Europe and US. We are trying to build these solutions over here also. It's like industrial waste collection and sorting, industrial waste pre-treatment and storage, material recovery, precious metal recoveries kind of thing, organic recovery like composting or land spreading, secondary raw material supply, hazardous waste collection, treatment and cleaning, industrial maintenance and cleaning, soil remediation and site rehabilitation. This, I think, all this industrial waste, when it gets discharged, I think the soil gets contaminated. We do provide the soil remediation solutions, the industries or industrial bodies. We are doing one large soil storage. Most of the customers are, trying to recover the energy from the food and beverage. It's a very good source of this sludge can be a very good source for generating energy. We have been doing it successfully across the globe. Some of the companies like Nestle, Danone and all, they're quite engaged in recovering the precious resource of wastewater as well as the energy is concerned. Metals and mining is another key area where the large pollutants can be treated and reused. Power, again, one of the good policies now is the government has made a GO in terms of wherever the power plant is located within the 50 kilometers radius of city, they should reuse the city sewage, which is a good policy, I think, which is good for the resource revolution parties. Chemicals and pharma, oil and gas upstream, especially the produce oil treatment and all those things. Then of course the downstream in terms of refineries, which is focusing on reduce, reuse, recycle kind of and pulp and paper, construction, decommissioning of materials, maybe some nuclear plants, the waste decontamination and all those things we do. I just thought
solid waste management and recycling solutions, and it is going to happen in October 15 to 17 in Mumbai. We look forward to see everyone in BEC at Koregaon in October, and here we'll talk about the technology, innovations and products on water, wastewater, solid waste management, recycling solutions, and we're expecting a lot of visitors, more than 8,000 visitors expected. We have more than 215 exhibitors from 22 countries this year, and we are looking for, and we have a space of more than 11,000 square meter space this time there. We're looking forward to have a fruitful show this year as well. My name is Bhula Mandal. I am the business director for IFAT India. Part also, like if you see, like we are like now plastic problem we are talking about solid waste, we are talking municipal waste. So here you can find a lot of solutions provided. You can meet a lot of technology experts there. A lot of technological companies will be there. They will be showcasing their products, technology, innovations. You can come and see that how they can give you the solutions.
What are the total expense of this project? Total expense of this fair?
This is the 6th edition we are doing it, and we have started in 2013 in October, and this is the 6th edition, and we have grown. If you see the inception, like where we started with 31 exhibitors, this year we have more than 215 exhibitors. So even last year it was 184 exhibitors. So far we have grown up, and we have more than 30 to 40% growth up this year.
How many employees will you get?
We have more than 70 employees all across the country, and we basically are an exhibition company. We organize more than 10 exhibitions in India, and globally we do more than 40 exhibitions. We have our own ground in Munich in Germany, where MMG Messemansion Germany is the company. We are the subsidiary company in India, and we are headquartered in Mumbai. We have regional offices in Delhi and Chennai as well.
Yeah. Thanks.